how to create something like this using our Coreldraw. Alright, so let's dive in. I will select one of these. I will choose to delete this one, and I'll keep a copy of this. Alright, so I'll strike F4 on my keyboard, and I'll see what I'm doing. I'll see my page. The very first tool I will click on is the Ellipse tool for me to have the front face of the teacup. I'll keep it here, and I'll zoom in, and I'll drag it down. Right click to duplicate object. Alright, so select the two of them. I will select the two of them, and I'll click on intersect. When I click on intersect, the main object that is here, I'll reduce it to put it in the center. Hold the intersected object and click letter C to balance it from the center. Alright, this is it. This is what I wanted. So without wasting time, we click the ellipse tool again and draw something like this. I'll go back to my pick tool, and I always make sure I zoom in to see the last edges of my drawing. Alright, so this side is not yet perfect. You zoom in, drag it out like this. Alright, that's it. So what next? We are gonna draw the rectangle tool. Keep it just here. We also zoom in. Use the navigation key to carry it up. When it's up to that edges, the same thing applicable to this side. Then while the rectangle tool is being highlighted, I will hold shift key and select the ellipse tool, and I'll trim, and I'll delete the ellipse tool. Alright, so without wasting time, let's draw the down part. Bring a rectangle shape, and then I will balance it this way. Hold shift key, select the main big image here, which is the body of the cup, and click letter C to balance it. And I always save my work. Alright, so this is it. I will click on my shape tool to curve the angles, or the angle, and I will strike Ctrl plus Q to convert to curve. I will click here and put it to a curve segment, and I'll just drag it down a little bit, and then I will select the both of them, and I will weld it. Remember, this is the practical of the last tutorial that we dropped. So we are now applying how to edit shapes with our Coreldraw using the simplify, intersect, trim, and the rest of the tool. Alright, so now we want to create the flat ground body part of the teacup. Okay, so I hold shift key, I'll right click to duplicate, and I'll bring this part down like this, and I'll also bring it far. Okay, so this is it. I will duplicate this image by right clicking it. I'll carry it up, and I'll bring it out. Yeah, I'll bring it out and bring the rectangle tool and divide it in the center. Hold shift key and click trim. When I trim it, I'll delete the upper one, and I'll carry this one up. I will make sure I zoom my work to see exactly what I'm doing. Alright, so you can see this side is out of it. I will have to decrease it. Okay, that's good, and I will bring this part down to really show the body very well. So I will start the coloring here, and I will love to use this dark color, and I will remove the outline by right clicking on this box here, and I will do shift page down. So I will strike shift page down on my keyboard to bring that image to the last part of the layer. Alright, so I'll bring the lighter color up. This part I will choose this. Right click. All of them are having outline, so you have to select all of them and right click to remove outline. You don't need the black line. Okay, so this image that is down, it was supposed to be up, and we are gonna do it by clicking shift page up. Alright, so I'll give you the same darker color that we have here. Alright, so we remove outline also. So we have gotten the down part of the design. Okay, so this particular image that I draw first, this one, I'm going to hold it and hold the body of the cup and click on trim, alright, to give me the real curve of this design, alright, something like this. That's how I got this man here. Alright, so let's continue. I'll give this side a lighter path, alright, to tell people that this is a different dimension. Okay, I like this color right there, so that everything will be uniform. I will make this one the milky color. Alright, I will now make this side a different color. Alright, so this is what I wanted. Okay, so I'll select everything and carry it up to give it the white edges on the cup. So using to achieve this image that is here, I will use my pen tool under the freehand tool. I'll see my pen tool right here, and from here I'll click it to any point I want it, and I'll click and left click and drag. When I'm okay with the size, I'll go on effects, artistic media, then I'll choose this. I'll just go back to my pick tool and make sure I give it the right color. As simple as that. You can choose to reduce the size here. Okay, so without wasting time, we go and close this dialog box here, and also bring the handle of the cup. Alright, so I'll draw it like this. I'll hold shift key to duplicate it inwardly. Right click, I will select the two of them and click on combine. I'll combine it together. I can choose to rotate it a little bit like this. A little bit. Sorry about that. So I will rotate it and I will bring it in. It's too big, so we have to reduce it. Okay, so I will now hold this body part, this particular one, and hold shift key to trim it. You can see when I trim it, this is how it looks like. Okay, so this is it. I guess it's still big. Let me reduce it. What I did now was Ctrl Z, undo. Alright, I'll click this on my shift key, select the two of them, trim it. I'll make sure they are carrying the same body color. Alright, this is it. So without wasting time, I can just drag this word here. Hold my control key to, okay, I have to ungroup it. I hold control key to drag it in. Let me start typing. Okay, let me make this a capital letter. Alright, so I'm just okay to use this right up. So the next thing there is our freehand tool. We go on our freehand tool. The shortcut key is F5, and whatever we draw here is what we are gonna be using. Okay, let's go again. The drawing wasn't that good. Yeah, so we increase the point, the outline point. Hold Control key and left click and Control R to repeat effect. Alright, so we select it. Control G to group it. Hold any of this body curve image to centralize the vapor, the vector vapor. Alright, so this is how I got this particular image here. So thank you for watching our video. Like, subscribe, and allow notification so that you don't miss out any upcoming video that we're gonna be dropping next. Thank you.